Hey everybody, so there are many ways to exfoliate unwanted skin from the bottom of your feet. This is the way that we do it here at NuFeet. Before you do this method, understand that proper education on these tools are essential to keep you and your clients out of danger. I use an etched 80 grit file to remove dead skin or callus. Once it's down to my liking, I flip the file over to a 180 grit to smooth the skin out. There are other ways that involve soaking or applying certain chemicals to the skin. You are more than welcome to try them, but most of our clients prefer to take the natural approach, and I feel this is most effective as I've been doing it this way for the past 8 years. Making sure you're using the correct grit is also really important, especially when it comes to more fragile skin. Moving up higher in grits would be ideal, as file paper that is too abrasive can tear the skin. The next step is applying my NuFeet Natural Defense Foot Serum. It can be found by clicking on this video or visiting NuFeetMedispa.com. Once applied over the whole foot, use a hot towel to steam in all the essential oils for instant hydration and protection. And here we have NuFeet. Now, although these are amazing results, it must be continued at home. So for more home regimens, please subscribe to my YouTube, as I will be releasing videos for at-home care.